Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, Pawan.
Is it possible to show that side-by-side chart along with the axis line over the line?
Not clear. You
In
want
the
to
same
show
sheet?
side by side chart with line chart?
Yeah, in a single sheet.
No, not possible. Because
But
for side by side chart, you will be using measure names, right? Problem is here if you want a side by side chart, right? You want to bring sales. Let me bring category, and then let me bring sales or measure names, and then measure values, and then let me take only profit and sales. Now, when you are taking this, right, if you take one more measure, it is coming with measure names. So, when you are getting it with measure names, if you add one more, if I'm bringing sales and I'm placing it in here, or not sales, let me bring quantity. You're placing it in here. Now, if you see that the slot, the place for measure name called quantity is also coming here. So you now, if you even if you convert this, even if you convert this into a line chart, you will not get it because the axis is not spreading across. The axis is only present at this level, that pane level. Even if you change, you'll get here. You'll get a line where that is separate quantity. But this, I don't think so. You are looking for that because this is not side by side bar charting.
my friend, one of my friends suggested me try to make the pivot of that value so that you can get that result. But I can't able to get that
Pivot?
answer.
No, pivot. I don't know. He might be saying that get something measure value like the measure values and measure names. I think he's asking you to do this. Let me do here. But that is not like in Excel. It is possible, but I'm not sure if other data sources. Now I think he might be suggesting this.
I got that answer in that Tableau community, but I can't able to understand right now. I can't able to share that link to you.
Then do share me some other time. Then we'll try to solve that. So might be he's asking you to pivot like this, right?
Yeah, and
Then
he
you will
did the
get it.
some
Yeah,
calculation
like
also.
this. If you pivot it like this, then you can do it. But the problem is now with Excel you can pivot it and you can do it. But the problem is when you are again working with the data sources, it's a bit tricky. But yes, you can do that. By pivoting, you can do that. Now coming back in here, rather than taking like pivot field values and pivot field names. So these are your pivot fields, right? Now here I can only show profit, sales, and then I can bring my another thing called as quantity. Okay, I need to bring my pivot field values. Okay, now again I'm getting this as quantity. Now let me write another calculation. If pivot field names is equal to quantity, then pivot field values and then calculation 3 and 3. Again, rather than doing this, Just for the sake, I'm making it as not equal to. Okay, I'm renaming this. Category in here. But now getting this as a side by side bar chart is going to be a problem. Uh, Again, I don't see a possibility with side by side bar chart with even this way. Here I got these three. Now I need to get a side by side bar chart. So to get a side by side bar chart, is the quantity, but
Just now I shared that link. Could you please go through it?
you shared the.
I can't able to understand that calculations. That's why I raised a
This
question.
is okay, you got the data. How many data? Uh, data access point. Yeah, stacks of this is very long, dude. We need to revisit this. I need to go through this. It's not that easy to understand what he has done here. But
No problem. If you understand, please try to explain in the next few sessions so that I can easily understand that.
created a union of it. I need to go through this. Okay, let's revisit this again. Okay.
I got one conclusion. If you do like that, we can't able to use the another. We can't able to make the another charts with the same data source, right?
You are unioning, right? Then there will be. It's not that you cannot do, but there are complications because here all the measures you are bringing into one column, right? Pivot values and pivot names. So that will create some hurdles. It's not that you cannot, but it will create certain hurdles. That's it. Okay.
Or else we can simply connect the same data source again and we can do that in the charts in
No,
that
no, no,
right?
no, no. But in there is one bar over bar chart video that I have made. You can actually put a line chart over that. Take a bar chart and take a sheet, make side by side bar chart, and then make a line chart and overlap on the existing bar chart. Just like here, I am
Okay.
creating category, and then I am bringing okay, this will not suffice. Let me add the data source. In my category here, where is my category? Category here, and then measure names, measure values, and then filter these show only profit and sales, and then make it a side by side bar chart, and then take another category. Here bring your quantity, make this a line chart, and in your dashboard you can overlap this. Next one, make this as floating and bring this in here. Yet there here you need to do certain adjustments, and here in the format shading make this so that now these are because of those line lines. You can remove those lines. Uh, Here these lines come on. You need to do a certain formatting here to remove whatever is coming in the back. Then you'll be able to get it. Okay, it's a bit complicated. I'm not saying it is easy, but you can do using that. Okay.